Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh! Oh! Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Hey guys, this is Frankenbiker. Thanks for joining me. I'm on the other side of the lunch loops. I haven't been over here before in Grand Junction. I have the Ribbon Trail and Andy's Loop is over that way. And over here, this goes to Gunny Loop. And they had the Grand Enduro this weekend. I guess I'll check out some of these connecting trails over here. All right, let's go get into trouble. I don't know how well the dead cat's working, but it's pretty noisy with the wind. Uh-oh. There's a dip. Straight over, yeah. Let's try that again. Oh, shit. Oh, I wanted to get that. Nice, nice, yeah. Oh, that was my toe. Snake skin. Yeah. Whew. Quite a climb. I feel like I always take the loops the wrong way. Nice. Stay up. Yeah. Yeah. I had to launch the front wheel up. Did okay. Didn't hurt the hand too bad. Nice. I just checked Trail Forks. I had to climb out of snakeskin. That would have been so much better the other way. It looks like it's an awesome downhill. I might turn around and go back that way. We'll see how I do after a snack and some water. But we're gonna take good vibes down from here. Oh, it's good to be going down again. Oh. 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 Oh my God. You know what, guys? This channel is better than watching a pro because you can hear the terror in my voice. That way you know what you might be facing for real when you get out here. That's why you need sound in these videos. Yeah, woo! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Don't use the front brake in that. Oh, oh. Nice. That was fun. Here we go, yeah. Nice. Oh, oh. Yeah. Here's some jumping action. Oh. Chunk progression. I gotta get through there with confidence. Yes. Fuck yeah. Pardon my language. Nice. Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh yeah. Huh. It's that pedal work that I haven't had a chance to practice. Nice, nice, nice. There you go. Nice. Oh. Woo. Poop in the bag. That was awesome. That descent was very cool. It was unplanned, but I got to learn how to do some pedal work that I never really thought of before, that I could really expand on. It was great having that warm up yesterday with pedicast, and then to do this is awesome. So I've climbed back up. I found some shade, and now I'm going to take snake skin down after I get some calories and cool down. We're about to drop in on snake skin. Going down will be nice instead of climbing up. And you know, do you guys prefer the edge on one side or the other? I like it on the right side. I feel safer on the right side for some reason. Woo! Yeah, guys. Much better than climbing. Spun out. Woo! You hear the nerves in my voice? There we go. Ah. Whew. All right. Collect myself. I can tell my legs are gonna catch on fire. Yeah, buddy. Something screamed at me. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Hump. Gotta remember to drop that pedal on the outside. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh. Nice, nice. Oh, keep it up, keep it up. Oh. My feet. My feet are killing me. Oh, guess what? I have shoes coming real mountain biking shoes. I've been using skateboarding shoes. Can't wait to see what that's like. Nice. Man, I am loving this. Those feet shifted. Oh, fuck yeah. I actually walked it out. See if I can get this one. Ah, yes. Oh yeah, that pedal work was good for me. Whew. Oh man, you have no idea how long I've been dying to do a trail like this. This one, oh my God. Oh, how did I do that? Oh, holy shit. I just went to another level, guys. Another level. Nice. Woo. That was a tight turn, man. Learned how to get my body around the bike. I'm petering out. But remember that section I couldn't clear in the beginning? Let's see what I've learned today. Keep going. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh shit. That was a progression, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you're still here, give that like button a monster smash and share it with some friends. Stick around, subscribe, and hit notifications so you can see brand new videos every week. Really appreciate you, and have a great day, guys.